Hello, friends! Welcome to the Alphabet Parade. Let's learn our ABCs with fun animal friends.
Come along and sing today, the Alphabet Parade. Letters marching down the street in a colorful parade. ABC, come and see, the alphabet is fun for me. Dancing, singing all the way in the Alphabet Parade. A is for alligator, snapping by the stream. B is for bear, as happy as can be. C is for cat, saying meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, wagging right now. A, B, C, come and see, the alphabet is fun for me. Dancing, singing all the way in the Alphabet Parade. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fox, running along. G is for giraffe, stretching up high. H is for hippo, saying hi. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jellyfish, floating for fun. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion, with a mighty sound. A, B, C, come and see, the alphabet is fun for me. Dancing, singing all the way in the Alphabet Parade. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for newt, as small as can be. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, a funny sight. Q is for quail, walking so neat. R is for rabbit, hopping its feet. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, putting on a show. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, swimming happily. Y is for yak, fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, singing along. Now we've learned our A to Z. Hip hooray for you and me!
Great job! You learned the alphabet with our animal friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures on Story Bloom Kids Adventures.